In this second video, we're going to look at those two extreme cases that we had to look at when we were graphing. What if we have a line that's horizontal? What slope is that? What if we have a line that's vertical, straight up and down? What slope is that? Well, just thinking about slope, the change in y is how much the height changes. And I notice right away the height doesn't change here at all. Okay? And I remember that the denominator of the slope formula was how the x value changed. How do I move left and right? And this one doesn't move at all, the vertical line. So that's going to create some interesting features when we apply the slope formula. So first off, looking at this line, they labeled 2 points, but I want to just point out I could have chosen any point along here. This point right here is 1, 5. The one next to it is 2, 5. All the points in the middle are have x values between 1 and 2 and have a height of 5. But they labeled these two, so I'm going to use them. So just like before, don't hesitate. Just pick. Let's use a different color. This is my first x. This is my first y. This is my second x. This is my second y. And the formula, just to remind us, subtract the y values, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. 5 minus 5. 6 minus negative 1. I get 0 over 7. Well, if you grab a calculator or think about it, 0 divided up among 7 people, $0 divided among 7 people, everyone gets 0. So 0 divided by anything is 0. So this, we say, has a slope of 0. Okay. Let's see what happens with the vertical line. Once again, I'm not going to hesitate. See the first point, label it. See the second point, label it. Now, setting up my formula, y2, 2 minus 6, x2, 4 minus 4, x2 minus x1. Negative 4 over 0. Well, first off, let's just say it's a different division problem. Negative 4 divided by 0 is not the same as 0 divided by 7. And clearly, these slopes are dramatically different. One is flat and one is very, very steep. So they can't be the same thing. And I encourage you to pick up your calculator and check. Negative 4 divided by 0, you will get an error message. An error message. This is called undefined. Grab a different color. Whoops, I didn't grab the different color. Undefined. And understanding the difference is very important, because if you're trying to describe a line and you say it has 0 slope, this is what it means. It's flat, it's straight across. There's no y change whatsoever. If you say the slope is undefined, what you're saying is the x value is fixed and the y is going up and down.